am Saloni. I'm from Mumbai and at present I am in Almaty. So today is the last day of a magical 5-day trip with Amreen. So this was the first time I decided to travel in a group trip with strangers. I have been traveling solo for a couple of years now, but this was the first time I decided to go ahead with strangers, and I had my doubts about it, but it was just magical the way we connected. We have bonded so well over the last few days that it feels like we'd known each other from before. As far as the trip with Amreen is concerned, I think she manages everything so well, and it's just so effortless. We don't have to stress ourselves with what to do next, with the planning, with everything, which typically happens when I'm traveling solo. So many times, things don't go your way, but Amreen is there to manage it for you, and you're not left there figuring things out by yourself. The other thing which I would like to say, which I think was very unique, was the fact that Amreen planned every day differently. So every day was a different experience. She put us up in different kinds of accommodations. We were in a cabin one day, then we were in the mountains one day, now we are in a tree house today. She has made sure that she had every minute detail planned out. So I would recommend Amreen highly, and I can't wait to take my next trip with her.